In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record video in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know how to add a simple tool that lets you capture video right inside your slides, perfect for lectures, walkthroughs, and quick explanations without leaving your presentation. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. If you already have a presentation open, great. If not, you can start from the Google Slides homepage. Make sure you're using Google Chrome or another Chromium-based browser so everything works smoothly with the Chrome Web Store. It also helps to be signed into the Google account where you usually create and store your presentations. Next, open a new tab and head to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type "record to slide" and press enter. You're looking for the Chrome Web Store listing that appears in the results. This search makes it easy to land on the correct extension rather than a third-party site, and it's the quickest way to get the official install page. From the search results, click on the link that says "Record to Slides" on the Chrome Web Store. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the genuine Chrome Web Store page by checking that it has the familiar Chrome Web Store layout and shows the extension's details, reviews, and permissions. This is a small but important step to ensure you're installing the right tool safely. On the extension page, click "Add to Chrome." Your browser will display a prompt describing the permissions the extension needs, such as access to your camera and microphone. This is required so you can actually record video and audio into your slides. Go ahead and confirm to complete the installation. If your browser asks to allow camera and microphone access, choose Allow so recording will work. If you're on a managed device, note that an administrator may need to approve the extension. Once installed, the extension integrates with Google Slides so you can record without juggling extra apps or complicated settings. If you don't see changes immediately, refresh your Slides tab. A quick tip: before recording an important presentation, speak a few test sentences to check your microphone level and make sure the right camera and mic are selected in your browser settings. Good lighting and a quiet space will make your recording clearer and more professional. That's it. You've opened Google Slides, searched for "Record to Slides", opened the Chrome Web Store listing, and added it to Chrome. Now you're set to record video directly within your presentations, saving time and keeping everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.